Dalším řečníkem je paní Vicky Ford.
I feel like a broken record. I mean, how many times does a girl need to say no? Yes, I'm worried about high-frequency traders. Yes, I want to stop bailing out banks, but these traders will not pay this tax. They will leave. The people who pay will be those who cannot leave, people saving for their pensions. Insurance premiums that we all face will go up. Companies who need money to invest and grow will find it more difficult to get that money. Savers who want to make that investment will lose out. By all means, mirror the UK stamp duty. It's easy to collect, and at least it's on the higher yielding shares. Or mirror the bank levy, or consider a transaction charge. But this tax will not work, and it will be vetoed by at least 5 EU countries, so let's just stop wasting time and say no.
Thank you very much. And next speaker is Mr. Paška.
Ďakujem za slovo, vážený pán predsedajúci. Daň z finančných transakcií sa javí ako nový možný zdroj príjmov pre rozpočet Európskej únie.